Hi teacher, today we are going to talk about the simple present. The present simple in English is the indicate tense when you want to express any of the following conditions. Make noun actions or permanent states. Example, Quito is the capital of Ecuador. Communicate actions or states that are repeated over time. Example, every 4 years is a leap year. Transmit routines, continuous events that are repeated on a daily basis or with a determined periodicity. Example, on my way to work. Give instructions or directions. Example, first mash the potatoes and then pour in some milk. Mention events, commitments, or appointments that will occur in the future at a certain time and day. Example, next Saturday is my wedding.
Hi, I am going to talk about case do you say the present simple. Let's establish some key conditions so that you can you say express yourself correlate with the present simple. 1. When you that document states or permanent action. Example, the Earth is the third planet for the Sun. 2. When manifest states or situations that are routines or actions that have periodicities. Example, every 10 years is undeclared. 3. To talk about habits, routines, or facts they are repeated in certain periods of times. Example, I drink coffee every morning.
Case to use the present simple when you give direction, instructions, and things. Example, you go down this street to take cinema, then you turn right. To transmit appointment, facts, or commitments that will happen in a determined time. Example, tomorrow is my birthday. Keep in the mind that the present simple should never be used to describe states, situations, or actions that happen at the very moment in which it is being spoke. This is common mistake, and tense that should be used in these situations is the present continuous.
Hello everybody, I'm Carla Puente and now I'm gonna explain you how to conjugate the simple present. In order to use the simple present correctly in English, it isn't enough to know its structure, but it is also necessary what appropriate conjugation is.
Good morning. Today, I am going to talk to you about the rule number 1 of the present simple sentence. Today, this is to be my blackboard. Paint is my blackboard. The rule number 1 tells us that in simple present affirmative sentence, it says that all verbs have s added to the end. But we must also remember that that in negative sentence, the letter s should not be added. S added in the affirmative sentence, s not added in negative sentence. Within this rule, we have some exceptions. The verbs ending in o, sh, ch, ss, and z, the letters es must be added. For example, to go. In the case of expressing in the third person, it will become he goes. Why goes? Because it end in o and es is added according to the rule. Okay. This is the rule number 1 of the present simple sentence. Thank you so much.
Present simple negatives. To buy the present simple negative, we need the auxiliary verb be, does, I does. And the party not. We often use short forms. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. Important. The auxiliary verb does taken the ending. In the tier Proverbs Sidner. He, she, it from the main verb. Example: I don't like football. I don't live in London now. I don't play the piano, but I play the guitar. They don't work at the weekend. John doesn't live in Manchester. Present simple interrogative form. We use do and does to make questions which the present simple. We use does for the tier person singular. He, she, it, and often the others. For example, do you play the piano? Does Jack play football? Do Rita and Angela live in Manchester?